true what you have said, that artificial intelligence is a form of intelligence. The word artificial is not so important here. It is a form of intelligence, and the role of intelligence is very important in any society or functioning. But in modern time, when intelligence is growing among human beings also, as well as the machine intelligence, the non-biological intelligence, it's a different time where we have to learn the new art of living in coexistence, making and ensuring that life on this planet remains sustainable for longer duration of time. And for that, which means for the welfare of the humanity and humankind and all biological species and everything which exists on the planet sustainable, the effort should be done. Intelligence doesn't guarantee anything. It has no well-defined purpose or goal, just as science make it very clear. And therefore, how we make use of it and how the things unfold would determine more than the what can be just talked about in the symposium. AI has a greater potential. When Paul Allen for the first time worked on the project or proposed the project called Human Cognom Project, and which has one of the agenda of developing a universal communicator. It was thought that very soon we will be having the capacity, which right now we have in some form, that a machine would be able to have conversation with a very old lady, say living in a village, Naila village near Jaipur, and would be knowing each and everything about the Naila village. And as you all know that in conversation people like to hear things which they like and which can be correlated to their environment. So that machine would be able to understand and would be able to talk in the local dialect, as well as will be able to talk on the theme and a point of interest of that particular lady. And maybe it would become more friendly, because right now we are facing a problem that the senior citizens are feeling isolated. There is nobody to talk. This project is yet to be completed in a full form, but the solutions are available. So we will be in future, whether India or whether China or whether America, the boundaries are disappearing, but AI is aware about, and AI can make a distinction, and in fact it has a potential to identify that the way you are talking like an Indian, or the way you are talking like a person in the United States. It can make distinction because it has necessary logic and power and training which has already been given to it. But those things create biases. So I am not for it, that we will provide solutions which are individual specific, customized and personalized, but at the same time it should not create new kinds of biases, that the Indians are like this or Indians are like that, or somebody they do not follow this. Indians, majority of the Indians may not be following the traffic rules very well. That doesn't mean that every Indian should be looked at from that particular angle. Somebody may also be following the rules. So rigid notion should not be there about based on such classification or division, and an approach of cohesive coherence should be adopted by the AI also.